Hi, I'm Pastor John, the chaplain here at Roberts Wesleyan College, and I just want to welcome you to the Old Testament class being taught in this second session of the summer classes. It's the Bib 101 class, the Old Testament literature and theology, and I'm glad you're in the class. I just want to introduce myself, Pastor John. I was a graduate of Roberts Wesleyan College back in the 80s. I went from there to seminary and was ordained a pastor in the Free Methodist Church a number of years ago. I've served 3 different churches, the longest of those in Dearborn, Michigan, where I pastored for 15 years. And then I've been here at Roberts Wesleyan College for 10 years. I have a wife, Janet, that I met here at Roberts, and we have 3 children who are all grown and out of college and living their lives, one here in New York, one in Michigan, and one in Indiana. So we get around to see them all over. I want to welcome you to this class, and I want us to have an opportunity. You'll see one of the first assignments before class begins is to just introduce yourself, and I'd love to have you do that. Give people a sense of who you are, and I'm assuming most of you are taking the class because this is one of the Gen Ed requirements. Personally, I have loved the Bible for a long time and have been reading and studying the Bible since I was 12 or 13 years old, just very interested in its message for us and what it means for us today. I hope this will be an exciting class. I've tried to make some great opportunities. I'll do some short videos along the way that will be kind of like TED Talk lectures, just to touch base, and I may respond to the forums in that way as well. But looking forward to being in this class with you. We start on June 6th. I hope you'll keep up on things. Remember, this is a condensed class because we're throwing 3.5 months into just 4 weeks, 20 days really, and so you'll want to keep up on the daily activities, the daily assignments, the daily reading, and that kind of thing, because it's really easy to get behind. Well, again, welcome to the class. Make sure you post in your forum an introduction of who you are, where you're from, what your major is, those kind of things, and maybe even if you've had any exposure to the Old Testament in the past, and whether that's an exciting thing for you or whether it's not. No judgment here, just want to get a sense of where people are. So feel free to just introduce yourselves in that forum. Thanks so much again, and look forward to doing this with you this summer. Take care.